Hello, I am Diane Bry, and I am the chair of Integrative Systems and Design. I want to welcome everyone, students, faculty, staff, family, and friends, and most importantly, our graduate, to our ISD graduation celebration. Today, we are honoring our graduates from the fall 2021. Our students join us from across the world, both on campus and online, representing our 6 degree programs: automotive, design science, energy systems engineering, global automotive and manufacturing engineering, manufacturing, and systems engineering and design. Now, this past year has been unlike any other. The road to get here was full of twists and turns, from a global pandemic that has altered almost every facet of our lives. While all of us have been affected in some form or another, there are some of us who have felt the weight of this past year more heavily. I ask that everyone take a moment to reflect silently in honor of those who could not make it with us today. I would like to start with appreciation for all of those that have shared this journey together. A special note of thanks goes out to our faculty and staff within ISD, the College of Engineering, and the University of Michigan for their tirelessly support of our students, creating the best experience possible under these challenging circumstances. We all know that none of our students operate in a vacuum, and that there is a supportive community of friends and family that were there for them. And we want to thank all of you for your role in helping our students to get to this important day. I also want to thank the graduating students. Today is about celebrating you and your achievements in the face of adversity. We have all seen firsthand your passion and creativity and your desire to excel. We know that you have worked tirelessly for mastery of your degree. While this year has placed many stumbling blocks in your way, there is also an opportunity to learn and grow from the blocks that life throws at us. Maybe not today or tomorrow, but a few months from now, you will see that even when things do not go as planned, you can learn from those experiences to improve and make your future accomplishments even greater. So keep that desire. Keep reaching to be your best while tackling these stumbling blocks that will come no matter what. And remember that no matter what's put in front of you, you will always be forever equipped to overcome them and be victorious. Hail to the victors.
As you take a deep breath in these final days of this part of your academic life, ask yourself a couple of questions. How are you different now from when you started at U of M? Yes, you're older and maybe more in debt, but are you thinking differently? Was your Michigan education what you expected when you arrived? Think a bit. Why yes? Why no? Has Michigan changed how you think about the world, yourself, your future career, other people? So as ISD graduates, you sort of have an idea of what integrative systems and design, particularly design systems, mean in your degree. But what about integrative? So clearly, integrative has something to do with integration, but what exactly? Maybe the best way to think about it is to think about yourself. What are you? What are you? Okay, I'll do this exercise for myself. I am an engineer, a researcher, a teacher, a professor, a man, an older man, an American, a Greek, a music lover, a travel lover, a humorist, an argumentative codger, a husband, a father, a friend, a colleague, and on and on. I'm all of these, and so are you. You're a multidimensional entity living in a multidimensional world, but yet you're one whole entity, an integrative one. So your true sense comes only from this integrative viewpoint about yourself. And so it is with your studies. So how well we accomplish helping you gain such a perspective, I don't know. But as you move on with your lives, keep in mind that everything, even the smallest thing, is an integration. And you do need to think, what are the elements that make up its nature and how they're bound together? You need integrative thinking, practicing integrative thinking. The world around us not only deserves integrative thinking, but also such a viewpoint is, in my view, the only way we can make true sense out of it. So, good day and good luck.
It is truly an honor to speak to you today. I want to start by thanking all of the faculty and staff from ISD and beyond who worked hard to provide us with a preeminent graduate education. I would also like to thank all of the family and friends who stopped by and supported us through a primarily virtual master's program and routinely encouraged us to hang in there through endless hours of Zoom and lecture recordings. It's been an interesting journey to say the least, for most of us starting a master's program virtually, and even some of us starting at a new university online while in a different time zone. Although our graduate experience was not the same as those who came before us, we had the agency to define our experience to be excellence. With emails from ISD as a lifeline to what opportunities we could become a part of, we gained experience from team-based projects, seminars, and guidance from those who came before us. We are challenged to take on an entirely new form of learning, which at the end of 2 virtual semesters equipped us with adaptability and resilience. From the awkward moments of accidentally both talking at the same time on Zoom, to trying to finish a test in time while having to take pictures and upload our handwritten solutions, we persevered, we grew, we succeeded. It was a breath of fresh air to enter into this fall in person for most of us. We not only made it, we adapted, and in a world riding on uneven terrain, making us stronger than before we stepped into the virtual worlds. We will forever hold on to the knowledge that we are versatile learners, multidisciplinary scholars, and most importantly, when life gets hard, we will prevail. These characteristics are very similar to the engineering curriculum we all encountered. Problem sets challenging us to apply our class learnings to real-life situations that now will actually become real-life situations, not just grades. The ability and encouragement to venture outside of our education track to learn business, equity, sustainability, entrepreneurship, and so much more instilled us with the knowledge of how to connect different fields and create innovative solutions. Tackling our capstone projects provide us with a real-life engineering experience that truly has prepared us for an exciting career. As we have reminisced today on our graduate days of triumphs forged through setbacks, be encouraged we have grown and learned adaptability through tackling unforeseen obstacles, to be the fresh, emerging leaders bursting onto the scene of a world so desperately requires our energy, resilience, intelligence, and our vision. And as fulfilling as today may seem, graduation is not the end. We are to take everything U of M, life, and the world have taught us and go forth. Let's use our multidisciplinary learnings to innovate, bring equity, and pave the path for a more sustainable future in our fields and careers. This day is truly our launching pad. Thank you and congratulations.
ISD faculty, staff, friends, and family. It is a great honor and privilege to be speaking to you today. These past several semesters at ISD, especially those with the event that shall not be named, have been challenging and frustrating, yet ultimately rewarding. Zoom University definitely had its perks, whether it was going camera off for a quick 5-minute power nap, or having the ability to check the score of the previous night's basketball game without being scolded. It sure was a change from in-person learning. We cannot forget about the challenges brought about by the virtual classroom and the lengths to which our instructors have gone to ensure we received a world-class education. I know that I speak on behalf of our entire graduating class when I mention that I am extremely grateful for the patience and flexibility exhibited by all of my instructors. Personally, I would not be able to lightheartedly proclaim, "I think you're off mute," for the 5th time within a 30-minute window. The learning curve was steep, but we navigated through the difficulties together. Thank you, instructors. While rolling out of bed and throwing on a baseball cap seconds before 9 a.m. Zoom class had its perks, it still does not beat in-person interaction. I'd like to thank the ISD staff who have made the transition from pandemic to endemic as seamless as possible. We appreciate the hard work that has been completed, mostly behind the scenes, to make all ISD programs instrumental in the personal and career growth for all students. The welcome events, game nights, capstone resources, and countless meetings with the subject, "Just making sure I'm going to graduate," have not gone unnoticed. Thank you. On behalf of all ISD graduates, I would also like to thank our family and friends for the relentless support and encouragement leading up to this milestone. To family specifically, there were times we questioned our own ability, but you were there to remind us of the hard work and dedication that had gotten us through previously. I thank you for being there during the difficult times to offer words of encouragement, even though you didn't know what we were talking about most of the time. As for the times of achievement, thank you for being there to celebrate our victories, such as this one. It goes to show that watching an extra episode of Succession does not prevent one from obtaining their degree. And to our friends, both internal and external to ISD. It was not the past year and a half we hoped for socially, but we still figured out how to have a good time. From bar nights to beatdowns at the big house, we made the most of our time in Ann Arbor. So now that I've gotten the mandatory thank yous out of the way, I'd like to reflect on all we've learned during our time at ISD. One of the largest takeaways is the confidence and prowess instilled within us to tackle ambiguous problems in our field of study. The late nights, office hours, and repeated attempts to master the subject matter will serve us well in our future careers. But it didn't stop there. We have taken courses outside of our immediate major to increase our knowledge in areas other than the one stated on our diploma. Outside of our technical field, we've acquired skills within the areas of business, entrepreneurship, and leadership. In the complex and fast-paced world we are about to enter, solely technical skills will not suffice. However, with the ability to draw upon the comprehensive nature of our degrees from ISD, we are well equipped to show the world what it means to be a Wolverine with a systems mentality. Our future will also demand the ability to communicate with those who originate from a different background than our own. This notion of one's background is more broad than simply the part of the world in which one has spent the majority of their years. Rather, we differ in many aspects, such as personality, communication style, and problem-solving approach. I implore us to think back to our group experiences, both inside and out of the classroom, positive and negative, so that we can use the lessons learned to be more empathetic as both friends and professionals throughout our career. I would now like to leave my fellow graduates with several remarks going forward. First, get comfortable with being uncomfortable. Think about that for a second. Growth does not occur from inside the comfort zone. Step outside and make mistakes. A mistake is only a failure if you do not learn. Second, the road ahead will not be easy, but that's what makes the journey worthwhile. We are going to be called upon to tackle some of the most challenging problems within our fields. Power through. By making it to this point, we are all capable. If you're thinking that you'd like to quit, that's fine. You never wanted it anyway. Last, there is a notion of Kaizen originating from lean manufacturing. Kaizen is a Japanese word that translates to continuous improvement. Ask yourself, what are you doing to make yourself 1% better every day? It's up to us to define our own better. Whatever it is, we must make sure we own it. Thank you, and go blue.
Sigma Theta Mu is the honor society of the International Council of System Engineering. Sigma represents systems, theta, theory, and mu, method, and especially engineering methods. So Sigma Theta Mu is the honor society for systems, theory, and methods. It recognizes high scholastic, scientific, and professional attainment in the study and practice of systems, systems-related engineering, and systems engineering. And today, we honor 3 masters of the M, 3 masters of the mu. First, we honor Yancheo Ten for his tremendous work in intelligent vehicles. He developed intelligent vehicles with their own mental image of the world that they could use in observing, processing, and structuring information, and even navigating unknown environments. In addition, he developed game theoretic algorithms so they could respond to changes, even coming from intelligent adversaries, even from human beings. Dan McDonnell, we honor for his tremendous work as a submarine officer and systems engineer. Dan led the analysis of a first of its kind naval communications system. He led the operations, the tests, and the inspections of autonomous underwater vehicles. He operated and maintained nuclear subs at sea in shipyard and dry dock. My brother Paul was a submariner for about a year. Dan, I'm honored to have you join Sigma Theta Mu. And our third superhero is Justin Guo from Raytheon. Justin coordinated and facilitated a multidisciplinary engineering team in developing a multifaceted defense system for unique customer requirements. These are stunning achievements, but Justin had a special passion for applying these methods, for applying doors and other techniques of defense system engineering to the automotive sector. And so Justin planned, conducted, and analyzed road-based validation testing of a whole car. These are our 3 superheroes of a lot of extremely talented and heroic and brilliant engineers.
Hi, this is Art Hyde. Congratulations to the Winter 2021 graduates from ISD, particularly the graduates from the Automotive Engineering program. It's been a lot of work to get through the program. I hope you got a lot out of it. We're certainly proud of what you've accomplished, and we look forward to seeing you succeed in the future. And please don't be a stranger. Come back and tell us how it's going and what we could have done better to maybe prepare you better for the world that you're entering. But we're with you. Go Blue.
Hi, everybody. Congratulations on completing your University of Michigan degree, which I know you worked hard for. And especially congratulations on having done it in this crazy year of coronavirus. Let's hope that the worst of that's behind us, and in 30 or 40 years, you'll have some stories to tell your kids and grandkids. In the meantime, go out and work hard, travel, have fun, do some really unexpected things. I know I did at your age. And aside from that, congratulations again, and go Blue.
Hi everyone, my name is Nigel Melville, and I'm the Program Director for Design Science within ISD and a Professor of Information Systems in the Business School. To the graduates, congratulations on a job well done. As the world becomes more complex and digitalized, the ability to think in a holistic and integrative way becomes more important than ever. I look forward to seeing your many accomplishments as you go out into the world to make a positive difference. And to the parents, family, and friends who have supported you along the way, I'm sure you're very proud of your graduate, as well you should be. We're all part of the Michigan family. with more alumni than any other university in the world. So be well and go blue.
I want to use this opportunity to congratulate you on your graduation on behalf of Energy Systems Engineering program. I understand this has not been an easy year in light of the COVID pandemic, but I hope you enjoyed your stay at University of Michigan, and I hope that this is just the beginning of rich future interactions between you and us here at the University of Michigan.
Hello, the GAME class of 2021. Congratulations on your graduation and my best wishes for your next venture. Go blue!
Hello everyone. Congratulations on your graduation. You have been working so hard in the past year and deserve much of our praise on this special day. We are very proud of you and wish you continue your success in your future career. Go blue!
Hail to the victors! Use the Systems V for future victories. Congratulations.
Wolverines! Congratulations, ISD graduates! Go blue!
Congratulations, ISD graduates. We're excited to see where you go from here. And wherever you go, go blue.
Congrats, ISD grads. You have truly proven yourself to be among the leaders and best. I wish you much success in everything you do. Go blue!
Congratulations, ISD graduates. What an accomplishment. We are so proud of you, and I wish you the brightest future.
Congratulations, ISD graduates. Go blue!
Congratulations, graduate. I've enjoyed watching you learn and grow through your capstone project, and I can't wait to see what amazing things you do next. Go blue!
ISD graduates, you make us all so proud. Congratulations on completing your U of M degree during these unprecedented times. It's your time to shine. Go out, work hard, travel, be kind to yourself and others, and enjoy your time among the leaders and the best. Congratulations.
Congratulations, graduates. You did it. Now it's time to celebrate all the hard work that led to this joyous occasion. We wish you well, stay in contact, and remember to always go blue.
So I encourage everyone here to let the meaning of the journey that we've all been on sink in. Maybe it was a particularly exciting idea presented by a faculty member in a class. Perhaps some words of advice or encouragement from one of our graduate coordinators. Maybe it was the excitement of learning and applying new ideas as you move into the next chapter of your life. This new knowledge, this heightened confidence, this broadened perspective in each of you can only keep expanding. Every person you meet can be touched by it. Every project or problem that you tackle can be considered and solved in the new way because of your integrative mindset. We think about how each and every one of our students can make a difference. And I'm sure you've heard about the Michigan difference. To us, that translates to the difference our students make in the world. Students, you are graduating from the University of Michigan. You are the leaders and the best. It is an honor to be the best, but it's also an important responsibility to be a leader. And challenging times like this is when leaders, such as yourself, emerge and step up to the challenge. You have spent years preparing. We are so proud of what you have accomplished, and we can't wait to see what you will do in your future. As you are working for the top companies or organizations across the world, demonstrate the innovative talents you have honed in at ISD by taking on and tackling the hardest, the most meaningful societal problems to create a better future for yourself and for all of us. The world is calling you. You are ready. Go out and make a difference, the UM difference. Go safely, be bold, be daring, and go blue. With that, your ISD family would like to celebrate and honor your achievements and give you a hearty congratulations. Congratulations.